Hey everyone, it's Kiki. This video is the 6th and final episode of the academic glowup series. In this video, I'll be sharing tips on how to maintain good grades, improve even further, and also some tips if you did not have success completing your goals. If you have not yet watched all the previous parts, I recommend watching them first. I'll link it up above. I highly urge you to follow along this series as it could completely change your academic career. Without further ado, let's begin the academic glowup journey. The first 6 will be tips to maintain good grades. Number 1. Continue to separate your work area from your relaxing area. This is one that you need to do over a long time, as it is basically reprogramming your subconscious to be more productive. All you need to do is only study at your desk, and whenever you want to relax or go on your phone, do it somewhere away from your desk. Basically what this does is it makes it easier for you to study at your desk because your brain thinks that you only study at your desk and you relax and do other things somewhere else. 2. Stay in the habit of being productive. It gets so much easier to be productive if you're in the habit of it. Even after achieving good grades, keep being productive and setting time to be productive. Even if you might not have any more exams or assignments, try to still be productive by reading, meditating, cleaning, and more. Number 3. Continue to go on your phone or check up on social media during transport. This is one thing that has dramatically decreased the amount of time I procrastinate. If you take public transport or ride a car as a passenger, try checking up on social media or going on your phone in the meantime. This will decrease the amount of time you go on your phone when you need to study or be productive. 4. Find study buddies or friends that motivate you to be productive. Having friends who are productive and help you study make everything so much easier and more fun. Even if you can't be physically together and study, you can still text each other questions, and I find that this is super helpful. Number 5. Clean every day. This is a super good habit to get into or continue doing. Take 5 minutes in a day just to clean your room, put everything where it belongs, put rubbish in the bin, and reorganize. Just taking 5 minutes per day is going to refresh your mental state, keep your room much cleaner, and you are going to be way more productive. 6. Even during the holidays, continue to spend time being productive. Even after school ends, you still want to maintain your good grades. This is why even in the holidays, you need to be productive. I'm not saying that you have to study every single day during the holidays. I'm saying to do things that are productive, like reading, cleaning, meditating, exercising, and also chess once in a while, and stay in the habit of being able to be productive. The next 4 will be tips to improve your grades even further. Number 1. Make new goals to strive towards. Once you have already achieved your goals, you need to make even more goals to strive towards. Make the goals slightly harder than before, and also make sure to set a time frame as well if you want. For example, if your previous goal was to achieve a B for all your subjects, make your new goal to achieve an A, and so on. 2. Find study methods and tips that work for you. I'm presuming that you have already gone a fair bit into your academic career, so now it is time to find even more study methods and tips that work for you. This does take a little while of experimenting, but once you find some good ones that work for you, you won't regret it. I recommend next time you are studying for an exam, try some methods and tips, and if there is one that you like, try to find more that are similar. Number 3. Understand your study habits better. There are certain habits that you may have developed over the years, and they may be good or bad. You should definitely take time to identify them and understand them, and use them to your advantage. For example, I have a habit of not being as productive when I don't have a to-do list or schedule. So in order to be more productive, I will write a to-do list and make a study schedule. 4. Set stricter screen time limits. If you have followed this academic glowup series, you will have already set screen time limits on your phone. Now it is time to make them slightly stricter. For example, if your previous limit was an hour, make it 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Also continue putting your phone out of sight or out of your room when studying. The next 4 tips are for if you did not have success with the academic glowup or you did not achieve your desired goals. Number 1. If you were not able to complete your goals previously, understand why. First of all, I would like to say that it is totally fine if you could not achieve your goals. The most important thing is to keep trying. Anyways, I think the reason for not being able to complete your goals can be separated into these 2 main categories. It may be because you were unproductive, or it may be because your goals were too unrealistic. I will share some tips for them next. If you were not able to achieve your results because you were unproductive, try the following. Try to change the area you work at, maybe the stationery you use. Basically, try to create some sort of change. This will help you detach from your unproductive habits and help you create and replace with productive habits. If you were not able to achieve your goals because your goal was too unrealistic, try the following. Create a new goal that is a lot more realistic. Maybe try to increase the time frame or reduce how hard it is. For example, if your goal was to get all A+ by the end of the semester, change the goal to get all A's by the end of the year. The next tip is don't lose motivation or stop trying just because you have or have not accomplished your previous goals. Giving up is the worst thing you can do, and just stopping everything once you have achieved your goal is so pointless. Think about all the effort you have put in. Keep going, you won't regret it, trust me. Keep going and good luck. Finally, I recommend watching through the whole academic gloup series again and continuing to follow the tips. Most of those tips apply to this video, however I did not want to repeat everything I had said. Continue to stay in the habit of being productive and you will see huge changes in your life. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole series. This is the last episode and I hope this series has helped you and will help you in your academic journey. I compiled my best tips in this series so you guys can get the most. I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you so much for continuing on this academic journey. Maybe you have completed your goals, maybe you haven't, but let me know down below and I really want this community to help each other out. Now, if you are continuing on with your academic journey, I would like to say good luck. And bye guys, see you next time.